Hi folks, 22nd October 2024. Welcome to the Stocks Options Insight YouTube channel. This is Venkat giving you an update as to how things have been going for the options positions. After the last update yesterday, so this is our present status as of now. We'll come back to this. Meanwhile, we'll see what's happened to the Nifty. The Nifty fell by 309 points today, and it was quite a strong fall, particularly after after post-afternoon session. There was nowhere to hide. The Nifty just fell. So Tuesday morning, it went up, then came down, went up again. So it was quite okay until it came to this level of 24,655, and then there was this sudden selling through the afternoon. That's brought in a lot of disadvantage for option sellers. Bank Nifty again, if you see here, 705 points lost today. And it's been Bank Nifty has been relatively better if you compare Nifty. If you see, Nifty is just slanting down like this all the way, so it seems to be going down like this in the whole. But Bank Nifty is kind of okay. If you see, it's gone up and then it's been, so it's comparatively Bank Nifty is strong. So we'll see that India VIX has shot up from the 8th of October. It came down nicely here. So on the Friday 18th of October, it went all the way to 1249, and then it's now gone to 1434. So there's been, we always knew that the Indian market is expensive and the valuations are high. There's been a lot of talk about that, and now the selling is finally coming. The corrections are okay. A 10% correction is okay if it happens, 150 points over a period of 2 months or something like that. But this fall from 26 to 72 on the 27th of September to 24, that's a loss of 2000 points in a space of like 10 working days is really not doing any good. And you see the steep fall here and then further fall. So what happened to our positions? We had this Nifty position which is showing at plus 18k today, but I closed this position yesterday at around 32k plus, because yesterday it was somewhere here. In fact, it was threatening to go to the higher side yesterday, and that is why I did not want to take a risk, and I closed it at around 32k. After closing it at 32k, because what we saw that the Bank Nifty was better, I took this position yesterday in the Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty position was taken at 52,000 CE and PE, 10 lots, 52,000. As you can see here, these were the two positions that I took. But today it went and hit the 35 delta on the minus side, so minus, it was around minus 350 here, minus 884 it is now, but I had to bring it. So anything that goes to that extent on the second day after a position is opening, we need to adjust it. We can't wait, because it was literally here in the straddle. So we have adjusted this. Its expiry is on the 30th of October. If this relentless selling stops, probably we might see some profit here, but we'll have to see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully the selling subsides. We had other two positions which were in profit, the State Bank of India Straddle and the HDF Life Straddle, but because of the selling today, I had to close it. There was no point in leaving it further, because it's already come here, and we don't have much time to expiry. Next Thursday is the expiry, which means literally we have only up till Friday for the stocks, because post Friday having stock option position on sell is a bit risky. So this has been closed with around this minus 6,000 loss, and also HDFC Life. This was volatile after the results, and we did adjust and it was in a good position, but then again, as you can see here, we had to close this because it was threatening here. The problem when market falls like this is something like this. You see here, we sold the position for 3 rupees. That went against us and it went to 11 rupees, so we had to cover that. But what we sold for 2.8 280 is still 175, so that did not lose its premium at all. So the put side alone kept increasing, and that's a very horrible thing when we get caught in these uptrends or downtrends as an option seller. So overall, it's been a very tough month for the option sellers. We couldn't take that many positions as well because of volatility, and it still continues. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully, better time prevails from November. A lot of events coming up. The U.S. election and the India state elections. Everything is lined up for November. So we don't know whether the market gets into a calm mode or would still be volatile. But that's up for us to see and handle it. Okay. Thank you then, and I'll see you in the next video with an update as and when we have for this Bank Nifty position. Okay. Thank you.